Finally, Samsung is ready to launch the S25 Ultra, and we get the exact date for the hands-on of S25 Ultra. Keep in mind, not just release date, but when you hands-on your device. Also, there's a special feature coming no one expected from S25 Ultra. Last time I shared this image of S25 Ultra release date, which obviously confirms the release date, which is 22nd of Jan, and for some regions it will be 23rd just because of time zone. I'll share more details about this picture, but now the actual launch in the market is out, even the pre-order dates. Samsung may start pre-orders on Jan 24th till 3rd of Feb, and customers who pre-order S25 Ultra can get their hands on an S25 Ultra starting from 4th of Feb. And Samsung would release the device on 7th of Feb 2025 in South Korea. It's about a week later compared to the S24 series, but if you like the sharp corners of S24 Ultra, Samsung is offering big discounts as low as $1,000, which you can avail from a prior listed in this video. Speaking of the pre-orders, Samsung will offer great pre-order deals for the S25 series. For some regions, Samsung would offer double storage option, means if you buy 256 gigs, you're gonna receive the 512 gigs version. And there's a catch. 512 gigs will offer a 16 gigs of RAM, which is a big plus compared to 12 gigs on 256 gigs of storage. Also, some regions may see a Samsung credit or Galaxy Buds. Remember at the start I told you there's a special feature coming to the S25 series? While using the Snapdragon 8 Elite, S25 series can be able to convert a game running at 60Hz aka 60 frames per second to 120Hz aka 120 FPS using the Qualcomm Adreno frame motion engine. This is a huge plus for gamers who wants to play their favorite games at a higher frame rates. There's a possibility Samsung may use Qualcomm Snapdragon Game Super Resolution feature to upscale the resolution without straining resources. You can avail this feature using Samsung Game Assist feature. Remember at the start I told you I will share the real renders of S25 Ultra? Well, yes, these are the new renders of the S25 Ultra, confirming the rounded design of S25 Ultra, and even the wallpaper of S25 Ultra is confirmed. If you notice or not, Samsung go with the rounded corners, but it's not as rounded as the Galaxy S25 Plus, which means Samsung still make a differentiation between Ultra and a base version. Apart from design and wallpaper, the bezel size of S25 Ultra is confirmed, which means ICE was right about the bezel size of S25 Ultra. It is one of the smallest bezels for next year flagship phones, according to Ice Universe, and he shared two different information. In the first half, he stated, "I saw some S25 Ultra renderings which are very beautiful, but I'm sorry I can't post them. The narrow bezel exceeds all current mobile phones including Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max." The second part is all about different color combinations of the S25 Ultra, where on blue, the back cover is a lighter blue and the middle frame is silver with a hint of a blue. On black, the back cover is black but the middle frame is silver. On white, the back cover is white with silver and the middle frame is very light silver. On gray, the back cover is gray with a hint of a gold and the middle frame is same. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a prior listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.